Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this BeatXP exports, Bluetooth exports or Bluetooth earphones. That how we can easily connect them into our mobile phones. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now, what we have to do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel, please. We are keep on updating new updates, so please like. Now we have to open this magnetic case from our hair, and we have to remove the earphones from the case and put in our ears. Yes, it's ready to pair. Now we have to go to our mobile phone, as you can check out in front of you. Now we have to go to the 1 second, go to the settings or go to the Bluetooth option over here. We have to go to over here and click on or press this Bluetooth option, or we can go to this function via the settings and Bluetooth. We have to switch it on from over here and go to the searchable devices option. From there we will find this BeatXP Bluetooth earphones. Click on that, and after that it will ask you that you really want to connect. Click on pair, and now the device is connected to your mobile phone, and it's showing you that your battery is 100% and it's active now. You can enjoy the music or calling or video editing or gaming or whatever you want to do via these Bluetooth earphones on your mobile phones. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning.